In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add custom ringtone to Samsung Galaxy S23 or any other Samsung smartphone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys. I'm gonna show you all the process from the beginning, and first off, we need to head over to Settings. To do that, just swipe down on your home screen and then tap at that gear. Once you are at Settings, scroll down a bit and tap at Sounds and Vibration. That's where we can easily find a ringtone. And in the ringtone settings, first off, we can control the ringtone volume level by dragging that slider right or left. Also, in here, we can select different sound as our ringtone. And then, if you would like to set custom sound as a ringtone on your device, all you have to do is just tap at that plus, and then it will show you all the audio files that are stored on the internal storage of your device. You might have downloaded them from some website, or you might get them from your friend. It doesn't matter. All you have to do in order to set any of these sounds as a ringtone is just select that sound. Now I'm gonna volume up to listen to it. As you can see, now this audio file is being played, and then all we have to do basically is just hit at done. And now, as you can see, this audio MP3 file is already set as a ringtone sound on my device. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.